Are you struggling with YouTube not working on your My TV Android TV? Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to fix YouTube not working on My TV Android TV so that you can get back into enjoying your favorite videos in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, let's make sure that you have a stable connection. A poor or unstable internet is often the main culprit of YouTube not working on My TV Android TV. Test other devices. Use a phone or tablet to check if other apps are working. If they aren't, try rebooting your modem or router. Check network settings. On your My TV, navigate to settings and then network status to check your connection. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi and see if it helps. Next, check internet speed. Use the speed test app to ensure you have sufficient speed to stream videos without lag. Step 2. Update the YouTube app. An outdated app can lead to bugs and glitches, so make sure that your YouTube app is up to date to avoid these issues. You can go to the Play Store and make sure that your YouTube app is up to date. Look for YouTube and see if any updates are available. If there are, make sure to install that update and relaunch YouTube to see if this issue resolves it. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Accumulated cache and data can cause performance issues. Clearing them often helps in fixing YouTube not working on My TV Android TV. You can go to settings and then select apps. Find and select YouTube from the list and then clear cache. If issues persist, try clearing data, but be aware that this will log you out of YouTube. Step 4. Restart or soft reset your My TV. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many errors and glitches associated with apps not working. Restart your TV. Turn off your My TV, unplug it for a few seconds, and then plug it back in, and then power it back on. Soft reset. Most My TVs allow you to perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Step 5. Reinstall YouTube. If none of these previous steps work, reinstalling YouTube might help solve your problem. To uninstall YouTube, go to Settings, Apps, YouTube, and then select Uninstall. Then to reinstall it, go back to the Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and reinstall the app. Step 6. Check for system updates. Make sure that your TV's system software is up to date with all apps, including YouTube. You can navigate to your settings, About, System Update, and check for updates. Select Check for Update and install any available updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with YouTube not working on your My TV Android TV, whether it's checking your internet connection, updating your apps, or ensuring your TV firmware is current. These solutions are designed to get you back to streaming smoothly. Always remember to prioritize keeping your apps and TV up to date to prevent any further issues. Enjoy watching and happy streaming.